Hello friends, welcome once again to the official channel of RedSol. Today we'll be discussing a very interesting topic that related to your aesthetic practice, and that is peels that are used for whitening, the RedSol chemical peels. So first we'll start with the single agent ingredient peels. Single ingredient peels are used where you want to go very aggressively. So in these what happens is there is in the single agent, and a maximum strength of that agent can be used. So they go very strongly in one modality and one line. They will go very strongly and give you results. So in the most safest that is considered is with good results. So those are glycolic peels. This is glycolic 50 and glycolic 70. There are other strengths also available like glycolic 60, 50, 40, 35. So if you want to go for a milder strength, go for a milder strength, or you can use up to glycolic 70. Then the other agent that is used for peeling and mostly whitening, that is lactic. This is lactic 80. The other strengths that are available, you may see in the brochure, lactic 40 and 60. So the three strengths available with lactic is lactic 40, 60 and 80. These glycolic and lactic both are AHA peels, alpha hydroxy acids. This is a group which has 4 to 5 ingredients, 4 to 5 different actives like glycolic, lactic, then TCA. These are all alpha hydroxy acids. The beta hydroxy acid is salicylic. So this is salicylic 30. This can be used in whitening also, and other strength that is available is 15%. So 15% salicylic and 30% salicylic. You can see in our brochure. If you don't have the brochure, send a message on our WhatsApp number 97734945509 and give a message, send brochure. We'll send you the brochure and you can see the different products, not only for whitening, for other issues also. So where salicylic is used? Salicylic is used where there are acne and you want whitening also. So you want to treat the acne and you want to do whitening also. There you can use salicylic. Basically chemical peels, whichever chemical peels for whatever issue you use, they will give you some amount of whitening, maybe less or maybe more, but they will give you some amount of whitening. So how that happens? What chemical peels does is it removes the superficial dead skin, superficial layer of the skin, that is dead skin or thinner layer of normal skin, and a fresh skin layer grows from below. So that layer which is damaged by sun, the pollution, the other issues, your hydration issues. So the superficial layer that gets damaged, that is removed, and a layer below that comes up. It grows, and now this becomes a superficial layer. So now this layer is not exposed to pollutants, sunlight, sun rays, sun damage. So this is tone lighter than what earlier the skin was. And how to protect now this? It is in your hands. You have to protect your protection with sunscreen, with various nutritional serums and all, so that the skin is not damaged, and the effects that you have achieved with the chemical peel, they stay longer for the days to come, and the effect is maintained. So these were the single agent peels. Now we will come to the combination. So now why the combination peels are used? And this is the more popular than the single agent peels. This is because they are relatively safer. They won't burn much and they are controlled very well, because the ingredients that are used, they are not used individually in their full strength, but there are multiple ingredients with smaller strengths. So if you use glycolic, it is glycolic 70. Now we'll see, this is AHA peel. As I told you, AHA is a group of acids that are used in cosmetic practice, and this is AHA glycolic lactic peel. So this has a glycolic of 30% and lactic of 40%. So the strength together, it becomes 70% of AHA, but it will be relatively safer than using alone lactic 80% peel or alone a glycolic 70% peel. So when you want to play safe, use a combination peel. If you want to go for AHAs, then AHA glycolic lactic peel is a good option. So where do you use AHAs? AHAs are used where you want glow with whitening. So glow is what is your concern. You want to get some glow and you want whitening also. So in that case, you use AHAs. Now one more ingredient that is very widely used for whitening, that is kojic acid. Kojic acid is incorporated in many creams, face washes, then other serums and all. So because it has a property that it will give additional to the chemical peeling when it penetrates the skin and causes its action, it gives a whitening effect. So this is a peel by the name Kojic Forte peel. See the brochure for the details. It has kojic 15%, the glycolic 30% and lactic 20%. So it has a AHA, both glycolic and lactic, in the percentage of 30 and 20, and also in addition to that there is kojic acid which will help in whitening. Okay, so there is one more agent, pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid will cause a deeper peel. So if you have a deeper pigmentation, you feel you will like to go a bit deeper, then you can use pyruvic acid. So pyruvic acid is available with this peel. This is pyruvic whitening peel. It has pyruvic acid 15%, glycolic is 20% and lactic is 15%. So a bit deeper pigmentation, you can use this pyruvic whitening peel. One more combination I'm showing you now, and that is a milk peel. So why the name milk? Milk is because the lactic acid in that is in higher concentration, it is 25%, the glycolic is 10%, kojic is 10% and salicylic is 10%. So lactic acid being higher concentration, it is named as a milk peel, and lactic acid, as you know, is derived from milk. Where this peel is used, peel is used if you have three issues together. That is, you want to treat acne also. It has a salicylic 10%. It will be very aggressive on the acne, but little bit issues of acne you have, and you want to see whitening effect and you want glow. So if these things you want, that three are issue, they will be tackled in small amounts, and all three fronts it will work and you will get the results. So there you use milk peel. Now a star product of Redsol. This is very popular, and many people have the experience that they are getting very good results with this peel, and that is the name, as you suggest, a whitening peel. This is whitening peel specially designed for formulated for whitening effect. So this has glycolic 50%. So the good amount of glycolic is also there, and kojic is also in good amounts, that is 15%. So it will give a whitening, especially if there is a sun damage. Sun damage is there, you are getting too much there are too much of tanning in the skin, then, and especially those conditions, you can use whitening peel. Now we'll look at one more product, that is acne enlightening peel. So if you have two issues to tackle and you want a combination peel, then you can use acne enlightening peel. This has glycolic 25%, lactic 10%, and kojic 5%. So these three ingredients will take care of the lightening part, I mean to say the whitening part, and resorcinol it has 15%, salicylic it has 3%, and citric acid 10%. So the resorcinol will take care of the acne. So good amount of acne is there, and you want to achieve whitening also with it, then you can use acne enlightening peel. Now if there are pigmented patches, then you can use this pigment correction peels. So the pigmentation is patchy, then use pigment correction peel. It goes a bit deeper because it has hydroquinone 2%, it has lactic 10%, kojic 5%, salicylic 2%. So wherever you have patchy pigmentation, and you should be first treating those patchy pigmentation first, because if you don't treat those patchy pigmentation patches, then what will happen, the contrast will remain. If you are doing just the whitening peels and you are not treating the patches, then what will happen is the contrast is maintained. So whatever amount of treatment goes for the patches, it goes to the normal skin also. So what happens is the contrast is maintained. To reduce the contrast, these peels are used. First one is this pigment correction peel, and the second one is the depigmento peel. So if you want to treat the patches, these two things are good. If now where to use which one, there are only patches, then go for pigment correction peels. If along with those patches there are wrinkles on the skin, and the sun damage or the pollution damage, environmental damages are more, you are getting wrinkles with that, then you have to use depigmento peel. Why? Because it has arginine. So, arginine will cause reduction in the wrinkles. It will cause skin tightening. Other than that, there is malic acid 15%, glycolic, lactic, and kojic. So this peel is used where there is skin tightening that is desired and wrinkles are there, so you can use. Also this can be used where there are oily skin. If the skin is oily, you have comedogenic acne, then this peel will work very good. So along with acne treatment, you are desiring whitening treatment, the skin is oily, comedogenic acne are there, then go for depigmento peel. We will be having a separate video on which peel should be used for which type of acne. That is soon we will be coming up with. So do like and subscribe the channel. If you do the subscribe to the channel, then you will get the notification once the videos are coming. Now one more very popular peel, that is the yellow peel. This is yellow peel with retinol 20%. If you have not seen the video on yellow peel, please you see that there are three variants of retinol peels. Retinol peels are called as yellow peels. So there are three variants available. Where to use which one, that is you can see in our other video on yellow peel, especially yellow peel. You see that video, how to use and all, everything is given in very elaborate way. So there you can use yellow peel. After yellow peel, we will see this another peel, that is an acne and lightening peel. This is acne and lightening peel. So if there are two issues, like there are acne and you want to go do a peel for whitening, then this kind of combination peel is very good. It has Resorcinol 15%, that will take care of the acne. It is an antimicrobial agent, and it penetrates the skin and kills the bacteria. So that is why Resorcinol is used. And then you have for whitening, you have glycolic 25%, lactic 10%, salicylic 3%, citric 10%, and kojic 5%. So all these other ingredients will go for whitening, and Resorcinol will take care of the acne. Now if there are a bit deeper patches, hyperpigmented patches are there where you want to do peel, then this is the peel. You can go for pigment correction peels. So if there is hyperpigment patches, then use this peel, because it has hydroquinone 2%, that is a very deep peeling agent, and long standing hyperpigmented patches it will take care of. Then it has lactic, kojic, citric, and salicylic also. So this is pigment correction peel. One thing I like to elaborate is, if there are hyperpigmented patches on the skin or face, then what you should be doing is, you should be treating first the patches, and don't touch the normal skin at that time in the first second session till the hyperpigmented patches are come to the skin tone of the other normal skin. This is because if you are peeling the entire skin and one session, then what happens is the contrast remains between the hyperpigmented patches and the normal skin. So the contrast is maintained. So you should not be doing that. You have to first treat the patches. Let the patches come to the normal skin level, and then you can peel the entire skin. So the contrast is gone. So now one more peel for whitening, that is the depigmento peel. Depigmento, pigmento is pigmentation, and D is going anti against the pigmentation. So this is depigment peel. So what are the ingredients in that? It has arginine, mandelic acid, and lactic glycolic. So wherever you find there is, the skin is oily, and there are some amount of comedogenic acne also. So there is some amount of skin wrinkles are there. So if wrinkles are there, skin is oily, and you want whitening treatment to be done on that skin, then this is the best choice, the depigmento peel. Now we will see one more agent like kojic acid. One most popular agent in whitening is glutathione. So this is the glutathione peel. This is the glutathione peel. Glutathione is used in many many creams, serums. Then there are quite a good number of face washes, then soaps of glutathione. Glutathione injections is other. So glutathione is known to cause whitening. So in this peel it has a glycolic, lactic, that will take care of the whitening, and glutathione that will help. Also it has kojic. So if you are a strong believer of glutathione and kojic acid, this has both kojic acid also and glutathione also, and along with that AHs, that are the routines in the whitening treatment. So you can use this glutathione peel. The other one is lifting and lightening peel. So if there are, you want to lift the skin, you have to cause a tightening of the skin, then the ingredient that is used is arginine. It has arginine 20%. In a good strength it has arginine. So it will give a good amount of skin tightening that will cause glow to your skin. And then it has other ingredients like glycolic 20%, lactic 20%. Those are routines for our whitening. Then mandelic, it has 10%. So oily skin with loose with the wrinkles and all, you can use lifting lightening, and this is stronger as compared to the peel fusion. So if you want to go for a stronger peel, the lifting lightening peel is very good. one more peel, that is Peel Fusion. It has hydroquinone 2%, which penetrates deep, and therefore you get a good amount of peeling, and it is a stronger peel. It has also other ingredients like mandelic acid 15%, which is a stronger strength of mandelic acid. Then it has lactic 20% and glycolic 15%. So if you want to go for stronger peel, you are quite tolerant to hydroquinone, you have not used hydroquinone creams and all, then this is a very good Peel Fusion. Then a milder version of whitening peel, that is SGC peel, especially if you have acne you have, it has salicylic acid and you want glow in that. So whitening is a very minor concern of yours and acne is a major concern, then you can go for SGC peel. Then the last one that we'll be discussing today is Cosmelan Fold. Melan means melasma. This is specially designed for melasma, but as you know, melasma is a form of hyperpigmentation. It will require whitening treatment. So you can use Cosmelan Fold for your entire face peeling also. This is a quite good strong peel. It has a TCA. So if you want to incorporate TCA in your whitening treatment peel, then this is the peel of the choice. So it has glycolic 12%, lactic 15%. Those are our routines of our whitening combinations, and TCA 15%. It has kojic acid 10% and hydroquinone also it has. So it will be going deeper, it will be going stronger. So the other ingredients, those are for causing repair of your skin, that are arbutin 10%, niacinamide 10% and vitamin C. So they will take care of the repair after the peel is applied. So this is all about the peels that are available with Redsol for whitening. Actually, as we said, all peels, or any chemical peel you do, it will cause some or more amount of whitening, because you are removing the superficial layer of the skin, and the inner skin that is coming now is a lighter tone to the earlier skin which was damaged by the sun or the environment of the pollution. So if you choose a peel by understanding the sensitivity of your skin, the expertise you have, the care after peel your client will be doing. So the taking care, like applying sunscreen too early is must. Even if you are at home, you have to apply sunscreen, and taking care of their skin, like nutrition, water, how much intake of water it is. So depending upon this, you can choose your peel and do peeling, and you expect the results. So thank you very much for watching the video. Do subscribe our channel. Our future videos will be on acne and melasma treatment, and many more to come thereafter. So if you want to see those videos, get notification, you have to subscribe the channel, like the channel, and watch the upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching. Good night.